We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for photo restoration. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the OpenAI website. Make sure you have an account and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the ChatGPT interface. Now, it's important to understand that while ChatGPT itself doesn't directly edit photos, it can help guide you through the process of using photo restoration tools by providing step-by-step instructions or recommending specific software. Start by typing in a prompt asking for the best methods or tools for photo restoration, such as, "What are the best tools for photo restoration?" ChatGPT will then provide you with a list of recommended software or online tools that are currently popular and effective for restoring photos. You can ask for more details on how to use a specific tool by typing a follow-up question like, "How do I use tool name for photo restoration?" ChatGPT will then offer detailed steps on how to download, install, and use the tool effectively. It might also suggest tips on how to enhance photo quality, remove scratches, or fix colors. If you need more specific advice on techniques, don't hesitate to ask ChatGPT for tutorials or video recommendations. This interaction can be invaluable as it tailors the advice to your specific needs. Remember, ChatGPT is like having a knowledgeable friend who can guide you through the learning process of photo restoration by providing detailed and personalized advice. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.